How to verify your Binance account immediately. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can verify your Binance account immediately. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Binance. After you open up your Binance, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you logged into your account, you will sometimes automatically get an option to verify it now, but let's assume that you do not have this pop up. So let me just head back here. So what you'll need to do to verify your account is that simply tap on this top left icon of Binance. So tap on the Binance icon on the top left, and after you do that, tap on your user profile name. So tap on it, and after you do that, you will see the verification option. Tap on verification, and after you tap on verification, all you now need to do is proceed on with your verification. Now it might take some time depending on your internet speed, so just wait for it. Choose your country, and then you will need to choose your document type. You can use a password, you can use your ID card, or you can use your driver's license. Simply, you will need to click a photo of your document, and after you do that, they will take some time to verify your identity. So you might even have to click a picture of yourself so that they can compare you and your documents photo to make sure that it's you. And after you do that, you will be just verified. Your account will get verified, and it's that simple. That is how you verify your Binance account immediately. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.